Hi guys, myself Pawan. I'm a bartender here. So totally, it's a Mexican restaurant. So we are making the Mexican drinks, Mexican cocktails. So we are infused some tequila in it. So today I'm going to make a Mex Spicy Wave. It's a tequila-based cocktail which is infused with a jalapeno. So for it, first we need to put lime juice, 30 ml. Then we need to take this one fruit mix kiwi. So 20 ml we need to put in. So for some tanginess, we are using the cranberry juice. So also the 20 ml. And one thing specifically, I want to introduce this one, what I've remade. This one called Tinjin powder. It's a Mexican it's salt. If you give it a Mexican taste. So this one infused tequila with a jalapeno. Actually, the taste of the drink, sweet and spicy. Now I'm going to shake. You need to shake. You need to shake well. Wow. So you check it's coming, it's mean it's shake well. So I'm just going to taste it. How's it? Wow, it's spicy, a little bit sweet. So it's a mixture of sweet and the spiciness. So whenever some guests actually wants spicy and the sweet drinks, so I'm always going to prefer this cocktail, the Mex Spicy Wave. So for it, we need to put some more ice for making it chilled. For the garnish, I'm using the jalapeno. So half a slice of jalapeno in it. Cheers guys, please enjoy your drinks. Thank you.